This video I will share with you how to uninstall Hostinger AI website builder and install WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder. And before showing you how to install Hostinger website builder in order to install WordPress, let's give this website a visit. This is the website, and to make sure it is built using Hostinger website builder, let's give it a website inside the website builder. Now, how to uninstall this Hostinger AI website builder website? It's simple. Just go back to the websites page, and an important step before all is to make a backup copy of this website by duplicating your website. Click on these three dots next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Then select duplicate website. Here you need to select to which hosting plan you would like to add or duplicate this website in. In my case, I only have this single hosting plan. So select your hosting plan and click on this button. Website was duplicated successfully. Let's refresh this page to see it. Now that we have a safe copy of our website, and to make sure that it is fully duplicated, click on edit website, and you will see the same website. This is the original, this is the duplicated. Now that we have a backup copy that we can return to uninstall this Hostinger AI website builder, it's simple. Just click on these three dots and select delete. This way, we are releasing this domain name from Hostinger website builder to later create a new WordPress website, then connecting this domain name. So click on delete next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Confirm your action and hit delete again. Your website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes. Done. Let's refresh this page to see. As you see, it was completely deleted. Now we need to create our new WordPress website. Click on add website. Select WordPress from this list. Here select your WordPress website language. I will keep it English. Here fill in your new WordPress email address. I will go with this address and also the administrator name. Click on next. Here you can select between creating your website using AI or use pre-built websites and themes. I will go with pre-built websites and themes. Click on next. Here select a pre-built WordPress website. I will create this one. Click on continue. You can later edit this website content. Click on continue. Here select what WordPress plugins to install. I don't need WooCommerce, same thing, all-in-one SEO, yes. WP Forms, no. Google Site Kit, yes. Akismet, no. Click on next. Here fill in your domain name or your old domain name that it was connected with Hostinger website builder. Mine it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on next. Here select your data center closest to your website traffic or audience. In my case, I will go with US, North Carolina. Click on, and after that click on install WordPress. And this is your new WordPress website. Let's give it a visit. Visit site. And as you see, BNtutorial.com was linked to this website built using Hostinger website builder. And now it shows me a WordPress website. And this is how to uninstall Hostinger AI website builder and install WordPress. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.